Wagwan, beautiful people. The boy working Wayne checking in. Right here is a 2019 Toyota Corolla. We're gonna take off the handle, the mirror, and the trim panel. First thing you do, you move that pin that shut the weight. It's a small pin, you shut the weight. Take off this piece right here. That piece off. There's 3 screws. One right, 2 in there, and one right there. A Phillips. That's 2 of them. That one right there. That's the other one right there. Take this piece off. Take the chin off. That piece out. And your screwdriver, you're gonna put it in the edge. Put it in the edge. You're gonna pry it open. Pull it open. See? Pull it open. And you're gonna go up with it. Then you undo the cable. For the cables, you gotta mark them. White goes in the top and green goes in the bottom. You gotta mark it. Use a marker or a tape to mark the cables. Make sure you put them back in the right place, because one is for the lock and one is for the handle. Use a marker or a tape. That's how you take out the trim panel. Put it aside. Now the mirror. Y'all see the mirror? It's 1, 2, 3. 3 10 millimeters. 3 of them. Unhook the wire. Before you take out the last screw, hold it. Take it out. Push that down. It comes right out. Now, to take out the handle, I'm gonna move that black piece right there. To get the handle out of there, you're gonna move that black piece from there. Get the black piece out. Use a T30. That's a star tip, a T30. You're gonna turn it to the left. Turn to the left. Then you pry it out. You're gonna put your screwdriver there. You're gonna put some pressure on it and turn it out. See? It comes right out. For the handle, you slide it out. Sometimes on these Corollas, they slide out. Sometimes you gotta go on the inside and pry it out of there. See? It's not sliding out. Now, this is how you This is how you do it. You're gonna move this plastic right here. I'll show you guys. Okay guys, on these 2019 Corollas, the handle is very hard to slide out. You will find them that it's very hard to slide out, but it's okay. There is a way to take them out easily without breaking this piece. The way how you take it out, this is how you do it. This is how you do it, guys. You're gonna take something pointy that is pointy. You're gonna put it here in the crease. You're gonna put it in the crease right here and pop it out. See? It comes right out. It comes right out. Then you come to the side over here and take it out, because sometimes these is hard to slide out. That's how you take it out.